simple way to insert the text data. You go to File, you go to Open, and you go down to Browse, and you select something called hex, right? So you open this file, then you start to actually go and say fix width and say next. Then you go and adjust this line slowly, right? Okay, so this is the way you insert text file previously. And when Microsoft came out with the Power Query, Microsoft didn't actually tell you that don't use this thing anymore. What you can do is actually you just cancel this. You go to the data, you go to the get data, you go to here, you go to the text file, right? And you just go to data and you click transform. That's all you need to do.